In this video, I will show you how to reset Outlook to default settings in Windows 11. There are two methods for you to use to be able to reset Outlook to default settings. First would require you to use the Outlook commands. So go ahead and first and foremost, close Outlook into your device. So before we start, close the Outlook application and then press Win plus R on your keyboard and the run command will pop up on your screen. So in here, you'll need to type this commands that I'll place in a notepad. So wait a minute. In here, these commands should be entered into the run application to be able to reset, restore, and clear customized views on your Outlook application. And then after that, you'll need to restart Outlook and check if the issue is resolved. Now, the second thing or the method 2 that you can do is to reset the Outlook via Windows settings. So to be able to do that, you'll need to go ahead and open your settings by clicking Windows plus I on your keyboard. Now in here, head over into the Apps section. On the Apps section, go ahead and look for Outlook into this app list, and then click Advanced Options, and then click Reset to restore default settings. And that's basically the two methods that you can use to reset Outlook to default settings in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.